Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find valid triangle numbers. So here we given an integer array of numbers. All you have to uh, return the triples chosen from the array that can make triangles. Okay. So if this is a test case, so if I take this one, if this is a test case, what we have to return? We have to return like array of three numbers which will make triangles. Okay. Now, what we have to know is we have to know how can we make triangles with three numbers. So the basic rules is the mm, the addition of any two numbers, should be greater than the others numbers. For example, if we take 2, 2, 3, and if we do plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4, which is greater than 3, right? If you do 2 plus 3, which is 5, which is greater than 2, have you got it? Now, if you take 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, again, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is greater than 4. Okay. Now, if you take 2, 2 and 4, here 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, which is not greater than 4, it's equal to 4. So, in that case, this one is not a valid triangle. Okay, if you take 1, 2, and 4. So, for example, 1, 2, 4, and 3. Okay, now how can you find valid triangle? Okay, if you take 1, 2, 4 here, 1, 2, 4, 1 plus 2, which is 3, which is not greater than 4. Okay, so this is not a valid triangle. Then you take 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Again, 1 plus 2, which is 3. 3 is not greater than 3. It's equal. So the one is also not a valid triangle. Now, if you took 2, 4, 3, and if you add 2 plus 4, which is 6, and 6 is greater than 3. That one case. Okay, if you add 2 plus 3, which is 5, 5 is also greater than 4. If you add 4 plus 3, which is 7, is greater than 2. So the rules is the rules is the what the addition of any two number should be greater than the third number. That's the rule. Now, how can you find it here? So the simple way to find it, for example, if your array is look like this, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 9, like this, simple way is you have to sort it first. If you sort it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, now your work is pretty much simple. All you have to do, you have to find out is the addition of this two number is greater than this one. If it is, just count plus plus. Like okay, so 1 plus 2, which is not greater than 3, so we will not do anything. Okay, then what we will do, we will not try the other number, as we got the 3, as 3 is already like less than or equal to okay, as 1 plus 2, this number is not greater than 3, it means it won't be greater than the next number, as we already sorted, right? So we'll skip this one. What we'll do, we'll increase the value here. So we'll take 1 and 3, which is 4, and we'll check the other value, next one. So 4 is not greater than again 4. So we'll skip this one, then I'll try 1 plus 4, which is 5, and which is also not greater than 5. We'll skip this one. Then again we'll try 1 plus 5 is 6, is not greater than 9. So we're gonna skip 1. We try now 2 plus 3, which is 5. 5 is greater than 4. So we got 1. Then again 2 plus 3 is great. 2 plus 3 is equal 5, which is not greater than 5. So we got only 1. And then again 2 plus 4, which is 6, which is greater than 5. So we got 2. Then again 2 plus 5, which is 7, which is not greater than 9. So we'll skip this one. Then again we'll try 3 plus 4, which is 7. 7 is greater than 5. We got another one. Then 3 plus 5, which is 8, and it's not greater than 9. So we'll skip that one. Okay, now we'll try 4 plus 5, which is 9, which is not greater than 9. We'll skip this one. So we can make only 3 valid triangles from this array. I hope you got it. Now, how can you solve this? The brute force approach is all you have to do int n equal to nums dot size and count is equal to 0. Sort nums dot begin nums dot end and okay, I'll return count. Now we have to find count. Okay, so how can you find count? For and I equals 0, I less than n minus 2, till n minus 2 I'll go, I plus plus, then for and j equal to I plus 1, j less than n minus 1, j plus plus, and then for int k equal to z plus 1, k less than 1, k less than n, and k plus plus, and what I'm saying, if nums of I plus nums of j is greater than nums of k, then count plus plus, count plus plus, otherwise just skip it. And if we have the loop, we got our answer. Now if I submit it, it will pass the test case and it will be accepted. But the problem is this one is brute force and the one is 1, 2, 3. So the one is n cube. The time complexity is n cube. So now we can, what we can do, we can do one more approach here. Okay, so for example, I got an array, I sort it. So 2, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, now 8. Okay, so we got an array. Now, what I'll do, I'll tell this is my I, this is my left, and this is my right. Okay, so the position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll say if my right plus left, what I'll do, 7. Okay, if my right plus left is greater than this one, so 2 plus 6, which is 8, if it is greater than 7, then we got in total right minus left number of arrays. So right minus left, which is 4 minus 0, 4. In total 4 we can make, right? How can we make? If so 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, then 2, 6, 7 again, 2, 6, 7 again 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, again 4, 6. Sorry, 3, 6, 7. My bad. 3, 6, 7, and then again 4, 6, 7. So in total 4 we can make it, right? If it is, then what we will do? We'll do right minus minus. So I'll put right this one. So I got 4. Then again I'll check if 2 plus 4, which is 6, is greater than 7 or not. It's not. Then I'll simply skip it and I'll increase the value of I, because there is no point decreasing the value of R, as we will got the minimum number now. So I'll increase the value of I, left, and I will look for the biggest value. Again, 2 plus 4, which is 2 plus, yeah, 2 plus 4, which is 6, is not greater than 7. Then again, I'll increase the value of left. Again, 3 plus 4, which is 7, is not greater than 7. So I'll skip it. And then again, I'll do left plus plus. And if left is equal to right, we're gonna skip this one. Again, what we'll do, we'll try I here, left here, right here, and we're gonna try again and again, and we're gonna increase the value of count. So they're gonna be n square. Okay. So what I could do, I'll change this one, and I'll say for int I equal to n minus 1, I greater than 1, I minus minus, I minus minus, and int left is equal to 0, right is equal to I minus 1, yeah, and while left is less than I, means left is not equal to R, what I'll do, if nums of left plus nums of right is greater than nums of I, count is equal to right minus left. That's it. And we're gonna decrease the value of right minus minus is left plus plus. We're gonna increase the value of left, and we're gonna try for the bigger value. Okay, I should put comma here. And that's it. Now if I submit the one, it's accepted as well. Lovely. Thank you so much.